Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get funny head and headless free on Roblox. So first of all you have to go to in marketplace. You have to go to and short and click on recently created. Now you have to go to in price and set 0 as maximum, and now click on go. Now if you scroll down you will see this funny head. You can get it because it may. So it is only for free 15 minutes or free for 15 minutes. So you have to get it as soon as possible. So otherwise it will go on sale with some Robux, few Robux. So once you get it, guys, you have to go to in avatar. So go to click on menu and go to avatar. Now to equip it, you have to go to head and body